Hey you guys, welcome to the channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Miriam. I'm doing a video today on our playroom. I'm going to be decluttering and getting rid of some things that we don't use or need, and just trying to keep it neat for the kids. So come along and let me know what you guys think of this video. But this is what's really bothering me right here.
Me too.
Got out of control. Like too much. So this is what we're gonna do, right? So whatever toy you're not playing with, that you know you don't play with, tell it thank you. Listen, tell it thank you and put it in there.
Why is
It's
thank you?
gonna get donated.
Why do we have to say thank you?
Because you played with it, and if you don't know if you want it or not, hold it and see if you get like if you get any special feelings while you're holding it, then that means you're not ready to let it go. But if it doesn't feel like anything, let it go.
Thank you.
Joab, let's go.
Okay. Thank you.
Joab. Those back?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes.
My kid is a hoarder. So this is everything that we are, oh, let me zoom out, that we're donating. So this bag, that bag, and soy. Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like all organized. So I did clear the top of that cubicle, or that, I don't know what that's called anymore. Yeah, I think it's a cubicle, because I like that it looks clean and clear up there, like very minimal, and everything is a lot more neat and organized. I got the basket over there to store like their big toys and stuff. So yeah, I like this a lot better. It's looking a lot cleaner, a lot more organized in here. So we're going to keep it this way. Well, hopefully we're going to try to keep it this way moving forward.